alone, every night alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys yet another 100% glueless unit. This is using absolutely no adhesive, and it comes right on and off with the snap of a finger. So if you guys blink, you may just miss this process because it's going to go by really quickly. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. So now onto the details on this wig. Once again, thank you so much UNice for sponsoring this video. I will be showing you guys their 7x5 24-inch Jerry Curly bye-bye knots unit, and this is basically what comes in your package. I didn't know what exactly I was receiving, so I was super excited to see what we had to work with today. So this is what comes in there, and now on to this unit. So as you guys can see, I was kind of confused on what I was putting on my head, and I was super excited to see that I was receiving a unit that I did not have to do much of nothing to. As you guys can see, the knots are already bleached. It's pre-plucked and it already is pre-cut and has those baby hairs on it ready for us to go. So you don't have to worry about doing really too much of nothing. So I love that for us. And one thing I really love about these new units that they are coming out with is not 5x5 lace, it is 7x5. So you have so much lace space. You can literally do a side part or a middle part, and I will show you guys how I did a quick little side part later in the video. So I just went ahead and prepped my lace with my bronzer shade because I am wearing makeup, and I'm not wearing a lace cap or anything with this install because it just blended so perfectly. This lace was super thin. You couldn't even see it on my head. Look at this. Like, I didn't do anything to this. This is literally straight out of the package and plopped on my head. So yes, this is a ready to wear unit, but y'all know I'm not about to wear my hair like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and define my curls, but before I do that, I'm gonna comb them out. And I'm not gonna lie, I was really feeling this lioness look, and I was gonna leave it like this, but I was like, no, I gotta give a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead with two products, my water bottle and my Creme of Nature foaming lotion. And this foaming lotion really had to grow on me because it used to be my least favorite because it wasn't enough hold for me. I wouldn't like recommend putting this on your baby hairs or anything, but if you are using this for your curly hair, I do advise trying this one out because y'all know I like to use my Lotta Body. I use that in a lot of my curly hair videos, and it has a nice hold. I do recommend using that on your baby hairs, on your lace and stuff, but it can have a little crunch on your hair once your hair dries and you like kind of pick it out. But this one, it gave me that really lightweight, fluffy feel to my curls. Once I was combing it out, you guys will see later in the video that it just combed out so effortlessly, and it just was like that pillow feel, you know, hair. So I really enjoyed that about this little product. So I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. But this is how one side of my hair looked. These curls had a beautiful shine. Like, look at the dullness on the other side compared to this side. But I did that to one side, and then I just finished off doing it to the other side. And I'm not gonna cut any layers or anything in this wig. I really wanted it to be super fresh and low maintenance. So I just went with what they gave me, and we just rocked it out that way. So I'm gonna do that to this side, and then we're gonna get into, you know, adding our finishing touches to the hair.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerized by that ass.
So once I completed the whole process of defining the curls, this is how the hair looked damp, and this is how it looked about 85%, 90% dry. And I didn't add any extra baby hairs. These are still the same baby hairs that came on the unit. I simply just flipped them up, added a little curl, and then went in with my foaming lotion. And like I said, I definitely do not advise using this foaming lotion on your baby hairs. It was super trash. Like, these were going all over the place, and I was just like not pleased with it. But off the video, I ended up just using another thing, and they lasted the entire night. So once I finished getting my baby hairs exactly how I wanted them, I went ahead with my hot comb and just moved those front pieces of my head away from those baby hairs a little, just to give it a little more polished look. And now it's time for us to comb out these beautiful curls, just to add a little more fluffiness and a volume to it. And y'all remember I said this foaming lotion just helped them to be nice and pillowy, and as you can see, it's still very defined, but it's also big how I like it. So that's what we were going for. And now I am showing you guys how big this closure is, because I did not have to move this to the side. I literally kept it in the middle of my head and then just moved the parting. So I really like that you can have some diversity with a closure without having to do the maintenance of a frontal and everything. So I really enjoyed that about this unit. But yes, this concludes the video, my loves. It was super quick and easy, like I said. And if you guys are interested in anything that I mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. Also, if you're interested in this hair, I will have it linked down below with a coupon code for anything on their site. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
I